Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Baru and today I'm going to be going over Chapter 4's question number 5. And this question states the following. In its first years of operations, Ivanhoe Company recognized $31,600 in service revenue, $7,700 of which was on account and still outstanding at year end. The remaining $23,900 was received in cash from customers. The company incurred operating expenses at $16,100. Of these expenses, $12,010 were paid in cash, $4,090 were still owed on account at year end. In addition, Ivanhoe prepaid insurance $2,690 for insurance coverage that would not be used until the second year of operations. So the first question asks, calculate the first year's net earnings under the cash basis of accounting and the first year's net earnings under the accrual basis of accounting. So in order to understand what these two things mean, we need to understand what cash basis means. What that is, cash accounting is a record of revenue when cash is received. Accrual is the opposite, record revenue when it is earned. So there's a lot of numbers here and you need to understand what you need to actually calculate. So what we're going to start with will be the total revenue for cash basis, which was $23,900. From that, we're going to deduct the operating expenses, which we were told was $12,010. After that, in cash basis, we're going to be deducting what was the prepaid insurance, which was $2,690. After those calculations, the final answer will be $9,200, which was proven to be correct. For accrual basis, we're going to start with the total revenue, which was $31,600. From that, we're going to be deducting the $16,100 from the incurred operating expenses. And that is all that we're going to be doing to that for accrual basis. The final answer is $15,500, which was also proven to be correct. So for the next part of this problem, the question asks, which basis of accounting, cash or accrual, provides more useful information for decision makers? The correct answer was accrual basis. The reason for that is because accrual basis accounting always provides more useful information because it is transactions that are recorded when they occur. So it's not like they're just waiting around for it. It's recorded the moment that it happens. So I actually hope that this was helpful and it helps you understand this problem a little bit more. If you have any questions, please leave them down below so I can do my best to answer that for you.